Welcome dear children to your science class, and here we start with class 3 Periwinkle, a book of science and life by Coral Publishers. So children, today we'll do the last chapter of this book, chapter number 12, that is measurement. आइए पढ़ते हैं measurement के बारे में, but before that let's read the learning outcomes. Define measurement. Measurement के बारे में define करेंगे. Discuss measurements of length, weight, volume, time and temperature. इन सभी के measurements के बारे में हम discuss करेंगे. Now comes the breaking point. Every day we use measurement. In our daily life we use measurement. We buy things in kilograms and grams. These are units of weight. ये weight के units हैं kilograms और grams. We read time in clocks and watches. Hours, minutes and seconds are units of time. अभी जो hours, minutes और seconds हैं ये किसके units हैं? ये हैं units of time. Can you tell the units of length? तो आप इस question का answer अगर देना है तो we have to read the chapter first. So here comes the measurement. Measurement refers to measure things to find their amount or size. अब measurement चीज़ों को measure करने के लिए उसका amount कितना है, उसका size कितना है, इसके लिए हमें measurement की ज़रूरत होती है. We measure amount of fruits and vegetables in kilograms or grams. Similarly, we measure length in meters, kilometers or centimeters. These are standard units of weight and length. अब weight को अगर हमें measure करना है, किसी चीज़ का weight बताना है तो उसे हम किस में measure करते हैं? kilograms और grams में. Then अगर हमें length measure करना है तो meters, kilometers या centimeters में करते हैं. ये standard units हैं weight और length के. Standard units mean that everyone uses them. क्या मतलब होता है standard units का? Standard units means कि सभी के द्वारा use किया जाता है, यही जो सब use करते हैं. In the early times, people use non-standard units for measuring length. अब पहले के ज़माने में लोग length को measure करने के लिए non-standard units का प्रयोग करते थे. They are not same for all people. अब सभी के लिए वो same नहीं होता था जो non-standard units होते थे. Let us know about the measurements of length, weight, volume, time and temperature. अब इनके बारे में हम अलग अलग से पढ़ेंगे. First comes the length. Length is the distance from one end of a thing to the other end. किसी चीज़ के एक end से दूसरे end तक का जो distance है वो उसका length होता है. It tells how long is something. You measure length of a line with a ruler. एक line को जब measure करते हैं हम तो ruler से measure करते हैं. See, first we'll see here use of a ruler. This is to measure a line. अगर हमें किसी line को measure करना है, छोटी line को, तो हम ruler से measure करेंगे. Use of a measuring tape. अब ये measuring tape tailors use करते हैं. A tailor measures the length of cloth with a measuring tape. The standard unit of length is meter. अब जो length का standard unit है वो है meter. It is written as small m. Long distances such as the length between two cities are measured in kilometers. अब standard unit तो मीटर है, लेकिन जब long distances को हमें measure करना होता है, जैसे दो cities के बीच का distance, तो हम kilometers में measure करते हैं. Written as km, small k, small m. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. छोटे और भी छोटे जो length होते हैं उनको हम centimeters में measure करते हैं cm and millimeters mm. Fine. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This you have to remember, children. Now science and context. Earlier people used their body parts like handspan, cubit, and footstep to measure length. पहले लोग क्या यूज करते थे? अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स यूज करते थे लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए. जैसे हैंड स्पैन, देखिए हैंड स्पैन ऐसे नापते थे. फाइन. क्यूबिट दिस एल्बो से लेके यहाँ तक पाम तक, इसको क्यूबिट कहा जाता है. ऐसे मेजर किया जाता था लेंथ, या फुट स्पैन्स. ओके. डिफरेंट पीपल हैव डिफरेंट लेंथ्स ऑफ दीज बॉडी पार्ट्स, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ. अब सबके ये बॉडी पार्ट्स के जो लेंथ हैं वो अलग अलग होते हैं, तो ये कोई स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट तो था नहीं, तो इसलिए इसे नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट कम्स द वेट. Weight tells us how heavy something is. Your weight tells how heavy you are. Weight से पता चलता है कि वो चीज़ कितनी हेवी है. Weight is measured with a physical balance. Now we have electrical balances. Physical balance से measure किया जाता है weight, और आजकल तो electric balance आ गए हैं जिससे कि measure किया जाता है किसी चीज़ का weight. Now we have electric balances which measure accurately. Accurate measurement आता है electric balance से. The standard unit of weight is gram. अब weight का standard unit क्या है? Gram, which is written as G. Heavier weights are measured in kilograms, kg. We buy fruits and vegetables in kilograms and grams. Lighter weights are measured in milligrams, mg. Jewelry and syrups are measured in milligrams. Fine? So these are the different units of weight. Now comes the volume. Volume tells us about the amount of space that something holds. कितनी जगह उस ऑब्जेक्ट ने ली है, वो amount of space बताता है volume. For example, the amount of water that a bottle holds is its volume. एक बॉटल कितना पानी होल्ड करता है वो उसका अमाउंट होता है. अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वो कितना होल्ड करता है अपने अंदर, वो उसका क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम होता है. द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम इज लीटर, which is written as capital L. Okay? Smaller volumes are measured in milliliters, ml. Some jars or vessels of measured volumes are used for measuring volumes of given substances. देखिए, some measuring cylinders. कुछ measuring jars या vessels होते हैं measure करने के लिए volume को. Okay? Given substance. The volume of a solid is calculated first by measuring the length, breadth and height of the solid and then multiplying them. अब ये तो था लिक्विड को मेजर करने का, लीटर मिलीलीटर में. फाइन. अब अगर किसी सॉलिड का हमें वॉल्यूम निकालना है तो क्या किया जाता है? पहले उसका लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट मेजर की जाती है उस सॉलिड की, और फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. ओके. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉलिड, द फॉर्मूला इज हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉलिड. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट, cubic unit. Fine. Now children, let's read about the time. Time tells us how long something takes to be done. एक काम को पूरा करने के लिए कितना वक्त लगता है. ओके? वो हमें टाइम बताता है कि एक वर्क कितने टाइम में पूरा होता है. We use clocks or watches to measure time. और टाइम को मेजर करने के लिए या तो क्लॉक यूज किया जाता है या वॉच का यूज किया जाता है. द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ टाइम इज सेकेंड, written as S. Time is also measured in minutes, MIN, or hours, H. Days, weeks, months and years are larger units of time. और ये जो days, weeks, months और years हैं ये बड़े units हैं time के. Now see, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. And these are some clocks and watches. See, this is a pendulum clock, this is wall clock, this is digital watch. Fine children, we use all these for seeing time, for measuring time. Next comes the temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold a body is. टेम्परेचर से क्या पता चलता है कि हमारी बॉडी कितनी ठंडी है, कितनी गर्म है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेदर बिकम्स हॉट इन समर एंड कोल्ड इन विंटर. वी यूज अ थर्मोमीटर टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ बॉडी. बॉडी का टेम्परेचर किससे मेजर किया जाता है? थर्मोमीटर से. टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड इन डिग्री सेल्सियस. वी राइट डिग्री एंड C or Fahrenheit. There are many types of thermometers such as mercury thermometers, clinical thermometers and digital thermometers. So nowadays mainly these digital thermometers are used. ज़्यादातर घरों में digital thermometers हैं. पहले mercury thermometers चलते थे. See, this is digital thermometer and this is infrared thermometer. Okay? So children, I hope you have understood it very well. So let's wrap up. एक बार फिर से देखते हैं हमने क्या पढ़ा इस चैप्टर में. एक रिविजन. To find the size and amount of something is called measurement. Length is the distance from one end to the other end of something. The standard unit of length is meter. Other units of length are kilometer, centimeter and millimeter. Weight tells us how heavy or light is something. It is measured using a physical balance. Volume is the amount of space that something occupies. Its standard unit is liter. Volume is measured using vessels of measured volume. Time tells us how long does something takes to happen. Its standard unit is second. Time is measured using watches and clocks. Temperature tells us how hot or cold is something. It is measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Temperature is measured using a thermometer. Okay children? Now children, check your progress. Tick the correct option. Which of the following is the standard unit of weight? किलोग्राम, ग्राम, मिलीग्राम. इनमें से स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट कौन सा है वेट का? इट्स ग्राम. Which of the following is used for measuring the volume of a liquid? Watch, beaker, thermometer. Beaker is used. How many hours are there in a day? 60, 10, 24. There are 24 hours in a day. Which of the following is used to measure temperature? Weighing balance, thermometer, measuring tape. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Now moving further, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words given in brackets. Fruits are measured in meters, grams. Fruits are measured in grams. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 10 or 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Water freezes at dash 0 degree centigrade or 100 degree centigrade. It freezes at 0 degree. Okay. The instrument using for measuring temperature is called weighing balance, thermometer. It's the thermometer. So write down thermometer here. Fine children. A mason measures the length of a wall with the help of a meter scale measuring tape. A mason measures the length of wall. किससे measure किया जाता है? Meter scale से, measuring tape से. Meter scale. Meter scale. Now match the following. Weight. Weight is physical balance. Temperature measured by thermometer. Time, clock, and volume, jar. Okay? Now comes state whether true or false. The standard unit of length is kilometer. False. It's meter. The standard unit of length is meter. Solids do not have volumes. False. They have volumes. Heavy weights are measured in kilograms. Yes, true. T. Jars are used for measuring volumes of liquids. Yes, this is true. Write down T. A digital clock does not have hands. Yes, true. Okay, children. So, this was all in this chapter, and here we end up with the science book of class 3 also. I hope, children, you have very well understood all the chapters of this book, and do go through all the chapters very thoroughly. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, फिर से पढ़िएगा. And thanks for watching the videos. Stay happy, stay blessed, and keep learning, keep growing. Bye.